Hi everyone, for today's video I would like to show you how you can purchase XRP if you live in United States. But before we start, I just want to share a disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, and make sure that you do your own research when you purchase any type of investment. You're probably watching this video because you have already done your research about XRP and you wanted to purchase it. And the problem is, if you go to your Coinbase account or Binance US account or any other major exchanges in United States, you can't even find XRP on their listing. That's because they delisted XRP because of the litigation they're having with the SEC. So you can still purchase XRP if you live in US by using Uphold wallet and Trust wallet. Today I'm going to show you how to do it in Uphold wallet, and you can do it in less than 2 minutes using your credit card. So the first thing you do, of course, you want to download the Uphold wallet, open an account, and once your Uphold account is set up, now you can go to your Uphold dashboard. So this is your Uphold dashboard. Currently I have XRP and Brave browser. If I click on transact at the bottom of the wallet, you can see portfolio, activity, and transact. Just click on transact, and it's gonna ask you from, just click on that down arrow, and you can actually put a credit card. So right now I have a credit card that I put in. You can just click on that plus sign if you don't have one yet. I just want to let you know that I first put in my MasterCard, and MasterCard wouldn't allow me to purchase any type of cryptocurrency, even here or on my other wallet. But when I used my Visa, I just went through without any problem. So if you're having problem, it's probably because you're using MasterCard. So try to use a Visa card and see if that works for you. If you have any problem with your card, you may have to contact your bank and let them know that you are the one that's actually purchasing the crypto. So what I'm gonna do here is I'll just select my credit card. And now you can see it says from credit card USD to, if you click on the down arrow. So since I already have an XRP, I can just click on this. But if you don't have one yet, you can click on search, or you can scroll down and say XRP cryptocurrency. So I'm going to click on my XRP account 7. Okay. And now here you just put in the amount that you want to purchase. So let's say I want to do a $50 XRP. So now you can see that 50 US dollar will give me 81 XRP coins. You can see right now that 1 XRP is equal to 61 cents. Just click preview deposit. Say you can put a note or you can leave it blank. Purchase. And you just want to say confirm deposit. Shows transaction is processing. Until we complete this process, your transaction will show as pending. Thanks for your patience. So just click OK, got it. Okay, as you can see now, earlier I have 150 XRP points. Now I have 231 coins. So if you click on your XRP, it will actually give you a record of your transaction. So if you can see right now, I have a purchase of XRP, 50 XRP on May 13, 100 XRP on January 6, and another 81 XRP today. And you can also see my previous transaction that failed. This is the time when I was trying it with my MasterCard, and MasterCard just won't let me do it. So that's how you purchase XRP, and I hope you like this video, and please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.